Hello crypto traders! Today we are going to show you a TradingView tutorial about the basics of using the chart in front of you. For starters, if you click and hold your mouse down and then move your mouse to the right or to the left, you can drag your chart in any direction. In addition, if you have a mouse wheel, you can push that wheel forward or you can pull it backward to zoom in or zoom out. Also, notice that there are little icons here, a zoom out button, a zoom in button, a scroll to the left and scroll to the right. Well, you guessed it, you can use these buttons as well to quickly zoom in or out and move along your chart. The best part is there's also a reset chart view button, which when clicked can reset your chart to fit your screen as needed. Speaking of your screen and your chart, pay attention to the price scale off to the right of the chart. This will show you the price of a symbol. And then, of course, the time scale at the bottom, which shows you specific dates and times. Now, if you click and hold, you can compress or expand these scales as needed. And one important point here is that if you do find yourself expanding or changing the look and feel of your chart, when you hover your mouse over your chart, you will see an A and an L at the bottom of the chart, as well as some additional settings which can be clicked as well if you wanted to see a percent or change the labels or lines. But nevertheless, the goal here is to show you that this A is an auto button or fits data to screen. Auto fit. So let's click A, and just like that, the chart now has refit to our screen. And then we can click reset chart view, and now we've reset our chart view. So you can make the chart look and feel however you need with options to quickly reset it or bring it back to an auto fit. Now that we've shown you that, we want to remind you that if you right click on your chart, there is a settings button. You can also access the chart settings from up here, top right. And when we open the chart settings, this gives us the ability to unlock many different customizations, whereby if we're looking at a candlestick chart, we can change the colors of these candles. Check it out. Do you see the colors of the candles changing? Well, we can do that just with a few clicks like this. And there's so much more that you can do here as well. It's all about diving in and exploring the options so that you can make a chart that is custom to you. One more quick example is on the canvas here. We can change the background of the chart to anything that we want. So we just made it a much darker black, but we also could do blues or purples or greens or a red. The choice, of course, is yours. Now that you've seen the customizations available to you, including the candlesticks here, keep in mind you can always change your chart type. Not every trader or investor looks at candles. Sometimes they want to look at line charts or line with markers, or perhaps an HLC area, or even a high-low chart. All of these options are yours and can be selected from the chart type drop-down located at the top of your chart. Let's go to candles for now. And also, we have candles favorited. This means we can now access them instantly from the chart. So watch what happens if we click unfavorite. See bars? And it disappears. And it disappears. So now we have one favorite here, and it's candles. Also, because we are recording this video for all of the crypto traders and investors out there, you're going to want to observe that at the bottom of the chart is a screener tool. And if you have crypto pairs selected, well, you can open the screener from the bottom of the chart and screen the entire universe of cryptocurrencies right here from the chart. If you click filters, this is how you can dive into some pretty advanced filters and find specific cryptos that you are interested in based on what they are, how they're moving, and their trading history. In this example, we have a pretty basic filter set up, and now we can sort by performance. If we wanted to see 6-month performance or year-to-date performance, it's all right here for us, and you can do the same. So that is the basics of the TradingView chart. You now know how to zoom in, zoom out, move to the left or to the right, access the screener, and then of course there is the symbol search at the top, and this is how you change your symbol at any point in time. Obviously, you may not want to look at one symbol all the time. If you ever want to chart or research any other symbol, well, you can open up the symbol search and just type in a keyword here, and the search box will show you everything related. For example, we have economy selected now, Federal Reserve, we search the keyword Fed, and here are all of the symbols from the Federal Reserve showing the term Fed. You can do this for any asset class of your choice. Because this video is for crypto traders, click crypto, search for keywords. It's all there and available for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you get started.